The upcoming track of Ishq Junooni is going to be packed with suspense, emotions, shocking revelations, and heartbreaking sacrifices. The story is moving toward a turning point where the lives of Guru, Ruhani, and Tejasvi may change forever. The biggest shock begins when a private video connected to Tejasvi suddenly surfaces online. Within a short time, the video spreads across social media and becomes the center of discussion everywhere. The incident creates panic inside the Chaudhary family, and everyone is left wondering who could be responsible for such a scandal. At first, family members believe that an outsider must have leaked the video to damage Tejasvi's reputation. However, as investigations begin and hidden details start emerging, the situation becomes even more shocking. The clues do not point toward an unknown enemy. Instead, suspicion slowly begins falling on Tejasvi herself. This unexpected twist leaves everyone speechless. How could Tejasvi possibly be connected to a scandal that has damaged her own image? Is she hiding something from everyone? Or is somebody deliberately trying to frame her before one of the most important moments of her life? These questions start creating tension throughout the family. While everyone is busy making assumptions, Ruhani decides not to trust rumors. She believes that appearances can be deceptive and that the truth often hides behind carefully crafted lies. Determined to uncover what really happened, she starts investigating the matter herself. Ruhani follows every clue she can find. She begins connecting incidents that once seemed unrelated. The more she digs into the mystery, the more she realizes that this scandal is not as simple as it appears. There are hidden motives, secret plans, and dangerous intentions lurking beneath the surface. Somebody is clearly playing a game. Somebody wants the family distracted. And somebody wants the truth to remain hidden. Meanwhile, another emotional storm is brewing inside the Chaudhary mansion. Guru is going through the most painful phase of his life. For a long time, he has been struggling to balance his love and his responsibilities. Every day he finds himself forced to choose between his heart and his family. The pressure becomes unbearable. Late at night, Guru sits alone, thinking about everything that has happened. His mind drifts back to memories from his childhood. He remembers how his father always stood like a shield in front of him. Whenever trouble appeared, his father protected him without hesitation. Those memories make Guru emotional. He remembers the sacrifices his family made for him. He remembers the values he was taught and the promises he made. Most importantly, he remembers that family has always come before everything else. Now fate has placed him in a situation where he must prove those values. According to the circumstances surrounding the family, Guru is made to believe that the safety of his loved ones depends on his decision. The future of Jaslene's unborn child, the hopes of the family, and the life of his father all seem connected to one choice. Guru feels trapped. No matter which path he chooses, somebody will suffer. If he follows his heart, he risks disappointing his family. If he chooses his family, he loses the woman he truly loves. The emotional burden becomes too heavy for him to carry. Finally, after battling with his emotions for what feels like an eternity, Guru makes a heartbreaking decision. Gathering all his courage, he stands before the family and announces that he is willing to sacrifice his love for the sake of his family's well-being. The room falls silent. Nobody says a word. Every pair of eyes is fixed on Guru as he continues speaking. With tears visible in his eyes, he declares that he is ending his relationship with Ruhani and is prepared to marry Tejasvi. The announcement sends shockwaves through the entire household. Some family members are stunned. Others are emotional. A few are unable to believe what they have just heard. For Ruhani, it feels as though the ground beneath her feet has disappeared. Her dreams shatter in an instant. Every promise, every memory, and every hope she shared with Guru flashes before her eyes. She wants to cry. She wants to scream. She wants to stop him. But she remains silent. Deep inside, she knows that Guru is not making this decision because he wants to. He is making it because he believes it is necessary. Ruhani remembers the day she told Guru that sometimes family must come before personal happiness. Today, those very words return to haunt her. Although her heart is breaking, she refuses to stand in the way of Guru's sacrifice. Her silence becomes the most painful expression of love. While Ruhani struggles with heartbreak, another person is experiencing the exact opposite emotion. Tejasvi cannot contain her excitement. For a long time, she dreamed of a future with Guru. Now it seems as though that dream is finally becoming reality. A smile spreads across her face. She feels victorious. She feels as though she has won a battle that once seemed impossible. Without thinking twice, she rushes toward Guru and embraces him. But happiness soon begins transforming into arrogance. Instead of understanding Ruhani's pain, Tejasvi chooses to mock her. As Ruhani quietly turns to leave, Tejasvi stops her and reminds her of the promise she once made. Her words are filled with pride and superiority. Every sentence feels like another wound in Ruhani's already broken heart. Even then, Ruhani refuses to react. She simply walks away, carrying her pain in silence. Elsewhere, Tejasvi's father sees the situation as the perfect opportunity. He wastes no time. Believing that nothing can stop the marriage now, he immediately announces that preparations should begin at once. The family is surprised by the sudden decision, but events begin moving so quickly that nobody gets a chance to object. Wedding discussions start. Preparations begin. Plans are made. Everyone assumes that Guru and Tejasvi's marriage is inevitable. However, destiny has its own plans. Unknown to the family, the truth behind the leaked video is getting closer to being revealed. Ruhani's investigation is progressing faster than anyone realizes. Every new clue uncovers another layer of the mystery. Every hidden secret brings her closer to exposing the mastermind. And what she eventually discovers may shock everyone. The truth has the power to destroy relationships. It has the power to expose betrayals. It has the power to stop the wedding before it even begins. Most importantly, it has the power to change Guru's future forever. As the wedding day approaches, tension continues rising. Will Ruhani uncover the truth in time? Will Tejasvi's hidden secrets finally come into the open? Will Guru realize that he sacrificed his happiness because of lies and manipulation? Or will circumstances force him to walk down a path that he may regret for the rest of his life? The answers to these questions are hidden in the upcoming episodes, which promise powerful emotions, shocking confrontations, dramatic revelations, and unforgettable twists. One thing is certain, this story is far from over. The battle between truth and deception has only just begun. And when the truth finally comes out, nobody's life will remain the same. So what do you think is going to happen next? Will Ruhani succeed in exposing the real culprit? Will Guru and Ruhani reunite after the truth is revealed? Or will Tejasvi manage to achieve everything she has ever wanted? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from Ishq Junooni.